Alright, this question is take the derivative of x squared minus 3x. Well, of course, the first thing you do is rewrite it because of the radical. So f of x is equal to x squared minus 3x raised to the 1/2 power. Now, since we have these guys, we've got the parentheses and we've got the 1/2 chain rule. So f prime of x is equal to the 1/2 comes out front. Rewrite the middle. 1/2 minus 2/2, you subtract 1. That's the basic power rule. Remember I told you. Chain rule, the first part of the chain rule is nothing but the power rule. And then you multiply by the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. And the derivative of x squared is 2x. And the derivative of 3x is 3. So, first part of the chain rule is the power rule. And then you take the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. So power rule plus derivative of what's inside, that's the chain rule. So we have f prime of x is equal to 1/2 x squared minus 3x to the negative 1/2 times 2x minus 3. And now about the only thing you can do is bring this is all over 1. Well, all this is up here with this 1. So I basically have f prime of x is equal to 1 over 2. And then this x squared minus 3x to the negative 1/2, that's over 1. And then the 2x minus 3 is over 1. So about the only thing I can do is bring that negative exponent, since this is a negative exponent, bring this part downstairs. And that's going to leave me with 2x minus 3 times 1 over 2 times x squared minus 3x to the 1/2 power. Now that could be the answer depending on how they want it written, or they might want it written in terms of a square root. If you want it written in terms of a square root, then you just change this to a square root because it's 1/2 power. So that would be 2x minus 3 over 2 times the square root of x squared minus 3x. So that's another possible answer. Well, what if they want it rationalized? Well, if they want the denominator rationalized, then you got to multiply by the square root over the square root. And we'll do that in red. And that would be multiplied by the square root of x squared minus 3x over the square root of x squared minus 3x. And when you rationalize the denominator, basically you get rid of the you get rid of the radical in the denominator. And your final answer would be 2x minus 3 times the square root of x squared minus 3x over 2 times x squared minus 3x. And all that does, when you rationalize the denominator, it gets rid of the radical in the denominator. So either three of these answers are correct. It depends on what the directions ask for, depends on what the teacher asks for. And of course, rationalizing the denominator, this is in your algebra review, which you need to review back to the algebra review in my algebra review video. Okay? I hope that helps.